Today is the day you've been waiting for. Immerse yourself in the epic tale of courage and honor with The Forging of a Samurai by Juro Go. Step into 16th century Japan, a world where tradition meets destiny. Follow the journey of a young warrior, destined to become legend. Experience the trials and triumphs of a samurai in training as he navigates the complexities of duty, loyalty, and the path to becoming a true warrior. Juro Go masterfully weaves a story that's not just about the sword, but the spirit. A story where every page turns with purpose, and every word echoes with history. Order your copy today on Amazon and embark on this unforgettable journey. Don't miss your chance to be a part of this timeless saga. The Forging of a Samurai by Juro Go. Available now. Order today and let the adventure begin.